Hi children, how are you all? Welcome back in our maths lecture, and we have chapter mensuration, and sums are given that sums solution will do. You already know that how to find area and perimeter of shapes like a rectangle, square, perimeter of triangle, how to find we already done. So now we'll do this different kind of sums related to area and perimeter. Okay, so here sum number A is given, area is given 1547 meter square and breadth is given 70 meter. We need to find length of that field. So here area is given, that is 1547 meter square, and breadth is given. So easily we'll find that length of that field. Okay, so here length and breadth both given means definitely that shape will be that rectangle. In rectangle, length and breadth will be different. So we'll write the formula area of rectangle, and then easily we'll get length. So that will do. Okay, so see here. Here we have given area, and that is 1547 meter square, and breadth given it is 70 meter. We will write the formula of the area of rectangle. That area of rectangle, that formula is there, that is L into B. So now that area is given, that we will write this side 1547 meter square is equal to, length is not given, so we will write length multiply breadth is given, that is 17 meter. Okay, now it is very easy for us to find that length of the given field. So we'll do L multiply 17 meter is equal to 1547 meter square. Now that length is equal to 1547 meter square divided by this 17 meter. The 17 meter is going in division form. We have written area of that rectangle formula L into D. Then area is given already of a rectangle. That area we have written is equal to, L is not given, so L same to same, multiply that breadth is given 17, breadth 17 meter we have written, and we have taken this step here and this here. Okay, now that length is equal to 1547 meter square divided by 17 meter. Okay, so now very easily we get 17 will multiply with that 91, then we will get easily that 1547. So L is equal to 91 meter. Meter square is there, meter square is divided by meter, means that only meter left. So that L is left, that is length is given 91 91 meter. So this way we can easily find by this formula that length area of rectangle that we have done, that area L into B. Area is already given that we have written here. Then length is not given, so just L we have written, and breadth is given 17 meter. Then we have taken that L this step, this side, this step, this side. L is equal to 1547 divided by 17 meter will come in division, and 91 meter is the answer. So this way we can very easily find that length of given field. Okay, now we have sum number B, and it is different from that sum. That the cost of leveling a field means the cost of leveling a field is rupees 12 per meter square, and length is given 45 meter, breadth is given 30 meter. So definitely that field means that farm is there, it is in rectangle shape because length is given and breadth is given different. So this sum will do. We need to find area of field, means area of that field we will find, then that area will do multiply with the rupees 12 per meter, then we'll get answer. Okay, so first of all we need to find that area of field, means area of rectangle. Length is given, breadth is given, so area of rectangle that we will find. So now we'll see that area of rectangle, that formula we will use here. So we'll find first area. Area is equal to L into B. This formula will use. Area is equal to L into B. We need to find first area. So L is given 45 meter into B is given, means breadth is given 30 meter. So very easily we have done that. Area means the length is given, B means breadth is given. So 45 meter multiply 30 meter. 45 meter is the length, 30 meter is the breadth. So 45 multiply that 30, then will come 1350 meter square. And area will come 1350 meter square. 45 multiplied with 30, then 1350 meter square. That area we got this 1350 meter square. Now we got just area. Now we need to find cost of leveling a field is rupees 12 per meter square. So this is that area is given 1350 meter square. Now we need to multiply that rupees with this area, and we will get answer. So we'll write the cost of leveling. The cost is that cost is equal to area multiply rupees 12. Okay. So now area is given 1350 meters square. 1350 meter square is there. Multiply rupees 12. So multiply with the 12, then definitely your answer will get, that is 16,200. 16,200. So the cost is rupees 16,200. The cost is rupees 16,200. So this way we can find very easily answer of the sum. The cost of leveling a field is there, it is rupees 16,200. So again explaining that sum is there, length and breadth is given. We need to find area of rectangle, means that area of field. The field is in rectangle shape. Area is equal to L into B. L cap, B cap, L is 45 meter, B is 30 meter, and we got area 1,350 meters square. Then we need to find cost of leveling 12 rupees per meter square. So area multiply rupees 12. Area is 1,350 meters square. Multiply 12, then rupees telling that 16,200. So that the cost of leveling a field is there, that is 16,000 rupees, 16,200. The cost of leveling a field is rupees 16,200. So this way we can very easily solve that sum. Okay, we have now next sum that is also different from these all two sums. So how much wire is needed for fence, and length is given 1 kilometer and breadth is given 50 meter. So to solve this sum we need to do that, find out the field is in that rectangle shape, because that length is given and breadth is given. So length and breadth different, means the field is in rectangle shape. So now we need to find that perimeter of that field. Perimeter why? Because how much wire is needed for fence? Fence is coming on the boundary of the field. So we need to count the measurement of that boundary. We need to find the measurement, how much length is there of the total boundary, that we need to find. Then we'll get how much wire is needed for fence. Rectangle shape is there, then all around that rectangle shape the owner want to build boundary. So for that boundary how much wire is needed, so we'll get answer easily. We need to find that perimeter of that farm, and how much perimeter is there. That perimeter is the sum of the boundary, means sum of the length, total length of the boundary. That perimeter means that sum of the length and breadth of the, means the sum of the boundary. So how much wire is needed, that we can find very easily by that method. We need to find perimeter of that field. So we'll find that how much wire is needed. So for that just perimeter we need to find. But one thing is different here. The length is given in kilometer and breadth is given in first of all, before we do this sum, we need to do both equal. That length is 1 kilometer and breadth is 500 meter. So we have to do equal both that length and breadth. We'll have to do in one kind of measurement. Means in meter given and both will come in meter. Kilometer given, both will come in meter, kilometer. And here then centimeter given and both will come in centimeter. So this length is there, we need to change into meter. So you know well that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer, so 1 kilometer is there, means length is heaven that 1000 meter. Now we have length 1000 meter, breadth 500 meter. So easily we will find that perimeter is equal to that perimeter of a rectangle formula that we need to apply 2 bracket L plus B. So perimeter is there, length is given that 1 kilometer is changed into 1000 meter. So 1000 meter plus breadth is given 500 meter. Breadth is given 500 meter. Now we'll do addition. Here 1000 meter plus 500 meter means 1500 meter. Now this one thing clear about that perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. 2 return bracket length 1000 meter, breadth 500 meter. Both that addition done means plus 1500 meter means 1500 meter multiplied 2. Then it have one 3000 meter. 3000 meter is there, that is perimeter. So now 3000 meter will convert into the kilometer. So 3000 meter is equal to 3 kilometer. So that 3 kilometer wire is needed to fence a field. So here we will write that 3 kilometer wire is needed. 3 kilometer wire is needed to fence that farm. So by getting that parameter, we can easily get that how much wire is needed. So first of all, that we change that kilometer into meter because the breadth is given in meter. So now length is in meter and breadth is in meter. Parameter formula will write that 2 bracket L plus B. 2 is written, length is 1000 meter, breadth 500 meter. 2 this both plus 1000 meter plus 500 meter, 1500 meter, and then 1500 multiplied with 2, then 3000 meter. So 3000 meter is equal to 3 kilometer. So 3 kilometer wire is needed. So this way we can easily find that parameter. So I hope you understand